support this wonderful tournament, bringing the best of the rugby union world to the shores of Aotearoa. And a touching side as the Welsh Dragon emerge onto Hamilton's Rugby Park. Of course, the bench so important in the modern game as well. Let's have a look how they line up. Once again, with them in position. Keep your eye out there for Stowers, working hard at the back. Of course, the 6s and 7s, so important. Back to Fotuali'i, Lavia, Mapusua and PC, with Williams at the back. An impressive lineup for Samoa, the Welsh team. Bennett, Jones, James. Of course, we have Warburton, who's in wonderful form. Warburton picked up the Man of the Match award against South Africa, a 1-point loss in Wellington a week ago. But prior to that, also Man of the Match both away and at home in Wales. So Warburton is in a purple patch of form, and he certainly is the man to lead this Welsh team around the field. Let's have a look at the reserves bench too, with Paolo, Johnson, Te Korea, Salavia, Sua, Fuimano Sapolu, and Soialo in for Samoa, while Burns teams up with Jenkins, Davies, Powell, Noyle, Williams, and Halfpenny. The Welsh team, of course, coached by Warren Gatlin. Samoa is Timimaya Tafua. Let's await now for the national anthems from both teams.
Recorded by the New Zealand Symphony Orchestra and performed by the New Zealand Choral Federation Anthem Choir.
Pairo atu I tēnā Waiata Nui o Ngāti Hamoa. The brilliant Welsh anthem and the voices of the mines in the valleys of Wales echo out across Hamilton. And Wales have never started a Rugby World Cup campaign with 2 successive defeats. If Wales lose against Samoa, they'll have lost 3 successive Rugby World Cup matches for the very first time. And of course, this cultural symbolism has so enriched the tournament here in Aotearoa. And our Māori people, of course, these are protocols that we enjoy, sharing with others. And over the decades, many other countries have taken our lead, and the Pacific nations in particular, well accepted too by Northern Hemisphere countries who accepted it as a part of rugby. On the other side of the globe, we just await the Samoan challenge to Welsh rugby. 17-16, disappointment, no doubt, high for Welsh supporters, knowing full well that they're in a difficult pool, Pool D. As we await the Samoan challenge prior to kick-off here at Waikato Rugby Park in Hamilton. The World in Union and Samoa get themselves set